Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, now I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the first video shows a confrontation between a man and a woman, and the confrontation happened in the presence of another female. Allegedly, during the confrontation between the man and the woman, the female used an object to stab the man. The video also shows the female running while holding on to an object, and the video also shows the man bleeding. Now, in the next video that I am going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she admitted that she stabbed her baby father, and she also said other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, I don't have any information as to when these videos have been recorded. But I want you to look and listen to these videos and tell me what you think. Now, before I present the first video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. Tell me what you think.
That me just wonder, like, what point that even make you?
Mommy, like, no, do you need to answer or anything that we should want to talk, right?
Miss Porter, I said to you, as a mother, Mr. Porter ever try to take a Kishan or Omar from you?
Because she never try to withhold.
Wait, excuse me.
Mommy, just tell her in a conversation with her.
Wait, listen. These things in the court, right? All of us not talk about in the court.
Yeah, but why my camera go court to take with me baby?
Anyhow, when we reach the court, we talk about that.
When me have a baby Kishan, they don't island dreams are sex.
Yes.
So why me think, why it right for me lay down and take a cut and then you try to take my baby from me? That me I understand.
Chanel, mommy, please.
Let's not talk about the court case, alright?
Okay, please,
So
Chanel, Miss Chanel, my mother is not here to talk about any court case with you, so please can you leave? Is the baby in danger? Is the baby in
yes,
distress?
Yes, the baby is in danger.
Okay.
And if you me catch up, me have a video with him, the video with him, back down his fist. I watch all sort of nastiness and I back down his fist.
Alright, everybody can witness you there. I make a bag of noise and the environment. Place was nice and quiet. Chanel.
And what? What are they gonna do?
We are
I'm scared.
We are asked kindly to leave.
And me ask you, please can you move out of my face?
Mommy, you are the owner of this residence. Please, may I ask her kindly to ask her to leave.
Please, come back.
Mommy, stop. She stabbed me in my neck. I have to go to hospital. No. She stabbed me in my neck, mommy.
So now tell them people, you hear them things.
Come on, she just stabbed me in my neck. I have a pan video. See her there. Relax, man. Relax. Calm down, Drake, fast.
Alright, so that's the first video, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, I think that the video shows a sad situation, you see? Yeah, if you look and listen to the video carefully, you can hear when those persons used the word court, you see? Alright, so I'm going to present the next video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this video, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she admitted that she stabbed her baby father, and she also said other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, listen carefully to the things that the female said in this video and tell me what you think. Observe.
Usually I wouldn't do this, but I don't have any choice right now. As you can hear me, I barely have any voice, but there's a video circulating of me on the internet where apparently, yes, I stabbed my baby father. Not apparently, I stabbed him. I stabbed him out of panic and fear after he elbowed me in my belly, but that part of the video wasn't shown, right? It's at that same spot. Well, that is one of the areas of a given day where he beat me to a pulp.
Listen.
Also, at the time, my 6-year-old daughter, who is now 3, We went to court and the matter was mediated. The case done. Nothing happened. Anyhow, I was there for almost 40 minutes. Where is the rest of the video? Where he elbowed me in my belly, stamp up on my foot, slam the window up on my hand. Because I try to talk to my daughter through the window. He go in the house and slam the window up on my finger them. The whole issue is
what really and truly are going on between those
that
two
video
persons?
took place on the Saturday. Today is the 2nd of July. So the video would have do Saturday gone, the 28th. On the 27th, my 3-year-old daughter, who he's under court order to see, after I'm filed for custody, I'm explaining to the court why I withheld the child from him.
Okay.
My daughter came back with her underwear having blood, which is not the first, second, third, fourth, or fifth time this is happening. I have reported the matter to several agencies, the right authorities, and the matter is still under investigation. I went up to his house to talk to his mother. Well, not his house, his mother's house. He doesn't live there. I never knew he was there, or else I wouldn't have went there. I saw him went in a direction opposite from him yard, so I went up there, up my mother's yard, to ask him mother what go on with the baby when she come visit, why she come back with blood in her underwear. And me keep on been a talk about this, been a make report. My older daughter tell me say she's been molested.
What?
By you know who. Now call nobody name, cause me no stop get lawsuit from me left this. And I left this because he got too kinky and me catch him a watch. Well, me not catch him a watch child porn, me catch him a while watching other children on his phone. Me see him a look and pick the picture and I tell my mother.
Listen to the
and
things
me frustrated him, never know what to do. Me talk to him about it, he say I have a problem and he need counseling. He did not deny anything at all. And this was like from before Corona broke out. Anyhow, him say me not go get counseling and him did want me to follow him. But him never did really want to get no counseling. He was just sorry he got caught. Anyhow, the fact is, what caused that incident to happen, I talked to him about the blood in the baby underwear and why all of these keep happening and him still a try to take my baby from me when me love so much and me grow so well. She don't even know how to talk patois. She don't even know how to talk patois. If you listen to my baby, she sound like a white child. She used standard English with an accent because that's how I trained her to talk. Like a society person with status at her age. I grow my pitney them good. I don't drink around my kids. I don't smoke, do any kind of nothing around my pitney them. Can take them and question them in front or behind me. When I'm at my yard, I'm a mother first and foremost. My yard when me around a home and no ends. It's a home, not a house. My pitney them grow good. The whole community can attest to that. My pitney they not even go outside, go play. While the people them cuss me in the community, me go make the pitney them play in the dirt and me tell them no, they have their tablet, they have their room where they sleep in, they have their playroom, they have their den, they have everything inside to then comfort with outside. If they want to play in the dirt, me bring dirt come in the house. I don't even make them go to the door to me overprotective of my children. Anyhow, me I talk to the mother about the blood in the underwear. This come out a video me. But him need a video me. One time him a elbow me in my belly and a stamp up on my foot them and a chop me out of the way. Cause him now want me talk to him mother about the situation. Him mother tell him to excuse make she hear me out and him still out there carry on. The video is 2 minutes and 19 seconds long. Where's the rest of the video? When him elbow me in my belly and slam me window up on my hand when me a try to call to my baby. And all of them something dead. None of that none of the video. The video supposed to be almost an hour long. Right? Actually the video would have been 20 minutes long because at first him never did a video. And the first time him start video the phone drop out time and the video chip out. So that would have been either the second or third video what una see and that video is spliced. Because the video cut out all of the abuse we ma give me. At the same spot him beat me to a stroke in front of me pitney them. His mother also assist him to beat me and cover up my head with a towel and tell him to run. Where were your comments then, people? Where were your comments then? I have my reports. I have several reports. Assault with bodily harm. Broke in at my house, all sort of something. Beat me to a pulp. I have all of my reports. Reports of me and my child who were abused by this thing. Right? Me as a mother now, and me see my child look like she get molested now. What me fi do? The man beat me after me left him, and I like me and him. Then beat me after me left him. Fi left him. Lick me pitney, where I did 6 months old at the time. And she in my hand and he could get to lick me without beat she too. Oh. So it two we get lick. Abuse my first daughter. Abuse me. Abuse my mother. Come in at my house when me know their work as him feel like and do him feel like. Broke in at my house, mash up all of me something them and take out back everything when buy me in the relationship. Oh no know nothing when me I got through. You hear me? Oh no know. Right now I'm strong. Cause I don't know how I overcome this. I don't know how I go through this. I don't know nothing about depression real. When you have somebody who you see the man that will do murder suicide, I'm capable of that. I'm not ask Christ. I fear this man. I move out of the community and come to one different community and the man still come and my yard come annoy me peace. You understand me? Yo, I should not even know me I go through right now. My balls so till I can't ball no more. I take off almost 50 pounds from me have my daughter. 50 pounds. You understand me? And nobody was there other than myself. No one. Me alone I go through it. So if me give him one stab, I'm sorry for stab him, but me panic at the time and me never see no other way out because my sister me go get me beaten again and me see a next stroke a come and me stab him and me go turn in myself at a station and take me charge. But God say I know me I go through and Father God do not sleep and I'm a very God fearing person. Anything for happen just have to just happen. But me I go dead trying and fighting for my baby. And me not stop fight for my baby. Because a 2 C-section me do for have them. I cannot push out a child and doctor did tell me say me could have no picnic none at all. And I'm so proud of myself you know say me get 2 baby. And I love them dearly and I not gonna stop love them. So if Jamaica bash me for love my child, well I just saw it go, but I not stop love my picnic them. I'm sorry.
Jano, my people, may I tell you, we can't dispute when a parent love his or her child, you know. No, you see me I say? Yeah man. And you know, I would like to hear the man's side of the whole story. Yeah, the man who the female said is her baby father that she wounded, but I like to hear his side of the story. You see me I say? Alright, now I want to point out one thing, viewers and subscribers, and I want to say this before I say certain things. I am not defending anyone. I am not defending anyone at no point, viewers and subscribers, because me not totally understand the things that happen. I'm going to go by some things that I saw and heard in those videos. You see? Alright, now, in a part of the first video that I presented to your viewers and subscribers, to be more specific, at the part where the female allegedly wounded the man, I heard 2 sounds that sounds like or almost like 2 thuds. You see what I say? It's like me hear 2 sounds that go something that might be similar to these sounds, like, right? Might be me saying. See me I say? So, when me hear those 2 sounds, I wondered if the female hit and wounded the man, or if the man hit the female and the female wounded the man. You understand me? Yeah, and I got information that the man did not die. Yeah, I got information that the man did not die, viewers and subscribers. I didn't get any information about the man's medical condition, you see? Yeah, me have questions, you see what I say? If reports had been made about certain things, like the abuse and the molesting, Zane, coming to really like to say certain things, Zane. If reports had been made about certain things, viewers and subscribers, me I wonder what happened. Yeah, me I wonder what happened. Me I wonder if nothing at all really not do, not happen. See, because me not sure when these videos had been recorded, no viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure. You understand? But John, I find the whole situation that the female talk about in the video sad. Really sad. You see me I say, one of the worst thing when children get caught up in an adults dispute and feud and them things there. You see me I say, yeah man, is it? Yeah man, and some things of the females, viewers and subscribers, I wonder what really come from all of the things them we should talk about. You know, what happened? You know, did the law investigate or any authorities investigate? Did they actually do anything at all? You know, what happened? That me I wonder. Yeah, me people. Yeah, so you know, so these videos are being talked about on social media. I wonder what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about these videos. See it? So I'm just present them to you. If you make you have an understanding about these videos, you can't tell me what you think, you know, but it's just sad. It's really sad, me I tell you. Anyways, so me I left it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, is it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.